Welcome to Electrical Tools and Tips. I'm Josue. Today we're going to be looking at a cheap pair of ratchet cutters. If you're looking for a cheap pair of cable ratchet cutters, these are probably your best bet. They're not too bad. I was looking for a pair. I really didn't have the money to pay for a green leaf pair or something that expensive, so I kind of searched around the internet, read a bunch of reviews, and I came across these on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you can check those out if you're interested. I paid, it was like $30 for them, something like that. Somewhere in that price range. They're actually pretty good. Like, they're pretty well built. I mean, they feel solid. Got the locking mechanism that works, unlike a lot of other tools. I've cut a lot of wire with this. Now, something that I saw in the reviews, a lot of people were saying to do was to take a file and just kind of like file the inside of the blade, and it would be like super extra sharp and cut even better. But honestly, it cuts pretty good right out of the box. Now, it says it'll cut up to 600 MCM. I don't recommend that you use this to cut 600 MCM. I wouldn't even cut 500 with it, but it will do it. Of course, I got small hands, so it's a little bit more work for me to ratchet with that on 600 and 500 wire, but it'll do it, and it works pretty good. Now, it works even better on smaller wire, obviously, but it's definitely a good tool to have. And if you're just kind of looking for one of these and you don't feel like breaking the bank for the price range, they're pretty good. Like I said, they're very well built, very solid, really good ratcheting action on them. I don't have any wire on me to demonstrate right now, but these things are awesome for the price. So if you're looking for a cheap pair, check these out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check us out on electricaltoolsandtips.com. Also check out our Facebook. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful. And thank you for your time.